Located in Kampung Jewek, Jetih, Terengganu, East Garden Cafe is lovely and welcoming local food and drink spot. Founded by Isdini binti Muhammad Fazli, a visionary 27 years old entrepreneur, the cafe attracts loyal customers from both the local community and visitors from outside. Starting a passion foodie, Isdini is now a respected businesswoman known for her resilience and strong community spirit. She shows leadership, creative innovation, and a solid work ethic, making East Garden a reflection of both her value and those of her community. Her ambition and humility earn her great respect in the local business scene. East Garden Cafe thrives in Malaysian fast-paced and competitive food and beverage industry. What sets it apart is its core value, affordability, community focus, and a personal touch. The cafe offers a diverse menu of local dishes, refreshing drink, and light bite in relaxed garden-themed atmosphere. The cafe aims to be a home away from home for every guest. From its layout to customer service, every retail is carefully designed to make customers feel like part of the East family. The garden theme reflects the cafe essence, a return to the natural, simple and authentic, a refreshing contrast to the impersonal feel of urban dining. At East Garden Cafe, we care deeply about the environment and sustainability. One of our main efforts is to reduce food waste. We plan our menu carefully and manage portion size to ensure that food is not waste. This not only helps the environment, but also teach us to appreciate what we have. We also focus on using fresh, locally sourced ingredients. By doing that, we support local farmers and small businesses while reducing our carbon footprint, since the ingredients don't have to travel long distance. In addition, we've made the switch to eco-friendly packaging to replace single-use plastic. This is part of our effort to reduce pollution and protect the environment. Altogether, this step reflects our commitment to sustainability and our desire to create a better, greener future for the next generation. At East Garden Cafe, we take sustainability seriously. One of the ways we do this is by reducing food waste through careful planning and portion control. We also prioritize using local ingredients, not only to ensure freshness, but also to support our local farmers and small businesses. On top of that, we switch to eco-friendly packaging to reduce plastic using a minimal environmental impact. All of those efforts reflect our commitment to building a greener and more responsible future.
Next, which is innovation. To us, innovation means more than just new gadgets or flashy technology. It's about introducing fresh ideas, finding creative solutions, and trying new approaches that improve the way we work and the services we provide. We believe that everyone on the team has the power to innovate. That's why we encourage a culture where it's okay to think differently, to take smart risks, and to keep pushing for better ways to do things. In today's fast-paced world, staying ahead means constantly evolving. Innovation drives our progress, and it's what keeps us relevant, competitive, and able to meet the changing needs of our customers and community. Next, let's talk about respect. Respect is the foundation of a positive and productive workplace. It means valuing each person, regardless of their background, their views, or their role. When we truly practice respect, we create a space where everyone feels included, heard, and appreciated. That kind of environment leads to better teamwork, stronger cooperation, and far fewer conflicts. At the end of the day, respect builds trust, and when we have trust among them team members and with our customers, everything runs more smoothly. Now look at trust. Trust is at the heart of every strong relationship, whether it's between coworkers or between us and our customers. It's built through honesty, transparency, and consistency. When people know they can count on us to do what we say and to act with integrity, communication improves and collaboration becomes easier. More importantly, trust strengthens our reputation and shows our customers that we're dependable and committed to their needs, and that in turn builds loyalty that lasts.
Okay, today I want to present about compassion, one of the core value embraced by the East Garden Cafe under the Malaysia Madani framework. This value is reflected deeply in how the business treats both its staff and customer. The cafe goes beyond just offering a job. It creates a supportive and understanding work environment. Staff are provided with healthy daily meal, private rest area, and fair working hours, including a full 1-hour break and a maximum of 40 working hours per week. More importantly, the owner, Ms. Isdini, encouraged open communication, especially when employees face personal challenges like bereavement or family emergency. Instead of bureaucracy, there's a trust and empathy. This compassion approach not only builds loyalty and morale among the team, but it also ensures the happy and motivated employees deliver better service to customers. In short, compassion at East Garden Cafe is not just a value, it's a life experience, making the business truly people first and community center. And the next about the integration. East Garden Cafe has successfully integrated all 6 core principles of Malaysia Madani into its daily management practice. Sustainability is achieved through eco-friendly packaging, local sourcing, and effective waste management. Prosperity is promoted by providing job opportunities to local and fair wages, especially to students and those without formal education. Innovation is encouraged through staff brainstorming sessions and regular menu update based on customer feedback. Respect is reflected in their inclusive, non-discriminatory workplace where every staff member is valued equally. Trust is built through transparent leadership, fair policies, and open communication between management and staff. Lastly, compassion is deeply rooted in their care for employee well-being through flexible schedule, emotional support, and a healthy work environment. This holistic integration makes East Garden Cafe a model of people first value thrive in business. Okay, next about recommendation. I also put forward some recommendation while East Garden Cafe already does a great job applying Madani value. But there are a few ways they can go even further. First, they can use digital look like smart POS system to reduce paper and manage stock more efficiently. This supports sustainability. They could also get official green certification to show their eco-friendly effort to customers. To support prosperity, the cafe can offer training programs like barista course or financial planning workshop to help staff grow their skill and career. For innovation, they can create a small team to explore new ideas and also use customer data to improve their service. In terms of respect and trust, the cafe can set up a system for staff to give anonymous feedback and get a fair recognition. And to grow compassion, they can partner with NGO to offer mental health, run community program like food donation. This step will help the cafe not only grow as a business, but also become a role model for value-based leadership. In conclusion, East Garden Cafe is a great example of how a small business can apply the value of Malaysia Madani in real and meaningful ways, from sustainability and innovation to trust and compassion. The cafe has created a work environment that cares about people, the community and future. Their management style shows that business success is not just about making profit, it is also about building trust, respecting others, and giving back. With the right mindset and continued improvement like better staff training and digital tools, East Garden Cafe can go even further in becoming a role model for value-based business in Malaysia. That's all for my group. Thank you.